Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unhide a sheet in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Here you can see there is a sheet which is missing, which is sheet number 2. So let's click on the right button and click on Unhide. Here all your hidden sheets will be shown. My sheet, only sheet number 2 is hidden, that's why only this the sheet number 2 is shown here. So click on OK, and here you can see sheet number 2 is shown here. So this is how you can unhide a sheet. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.